Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Guys, I went to Hobby Lobby. Here we go. Have some things to share with you. All of this stuff you've seen on everybody's Hobby Lobby haul, I'm sure. But, you know, hey, here I am with mine. So let me share it with you. So I want to use this to make tassels. This is really cute. This Crafter's Secret Cotton yarn is I love these colors, so pretty. And then I bought these cupcake liners, and I'm actually going to use them to make cupcakes. I may use them to make some rosettes as well, but they will have cupcakes in them for Valentine's, hopefully. And then I saw a couple people that hauled this Tim Holtz Ideology ephemera pack. There's 95 pieces in here. This is just so cool, and these were on sale, of course, for 40% off. Again, I'm not a super huge Tim Holtz fan, but I'm going to be creating a couple of journals for people that are into maybe more shabby chic and journaly things, and so I thought, you know, this will work for that. And these Valentine cards, $2.99. There's 4x6 cards. There's 8 cards, and they're plain bases already, just ready to go, ready for you just to, you know, decorate. So that works. And then these Valentine stickers. My daughter-in-law was buying one of these, and she said, "Oh, look at how cute these are. You should get these too." And I had seen them and thought they were cute and wasn't planning on buying them, but I thought, okay, just throw one in the basket for me. So those are cute. And then I had bought these already and gifted them for someone, so I think I'm going to use these in Happy Mail. These are cute. And these cute little animal stickers, I bought these last year. They came out with them again this year, and they're fuzzy, they're cute. And then, you know, the puppies on the back, and then the little monkeys. So I thought I'll use those. And then in probably a haul you already saw, I showed that I had bought from Amazon the donut heart die, and you know, you put sprinkles on the top. So I wanted to use some kind of fun sprinkles, and Jewelry Shop was on sale for half off, so I thought these would be fun. This is a repurchase. I bought this again. I gifted, had bought one of these for some Happy Mail that I sent Tony, Creative Chico hauls, and I thought, oh, those are cute. You know what? I'm going to get another one. Again, I might use them or gift them. I'm not really sure. And then these sequins, heart sequins. I already had bought some sequin mix already, but I thought these were cute too. House beads. These are on sale so much for half off at Hobby Lobby, and these beads right here, this size, shape, colors, these are one of my favorite beads. And then I don't even know if I have these, if I bought these before, but I always like to have like different colors. I can't remember who it was last year. Marianne. It was Marianne. Was it you? Yeah, I think it was Marianne, Marianne's Craft Corner, that had, for her birthday challenge, she wanted an embellishment box. Was it you, Marianne? That wanted an embellishment box that was just all one color, just monochromatic. And ever since then, I just always think about that when I'm making an embellishment box, that it should be monochromatic. And so I like to have, you know, all the different colors just in case. So, and then of course, Bead Company was on sale, and this is all I got. One thing. I'm so proud of myself. So these are so pretty. They're just a good size, and the colors are just really pretty. And then these hearts, I've bought these hearts, I've gifted these, I've painted them. I don't know if you saw a previous video, which I'll link down below, where I actually embellished some of these for the heart collab. And I like these. I like this size, and I like the larger size. I just think both of them are just so fun. So hearts all year long. I have never bought any of these. You know, I guess they call them, this is the brown fat quarter, 18 by 21, 100% cotton fabric. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or if I'm going to gift this. So I just thought this was really pretty. I love looking at all of these pieces of fabric. So I don't have fabric since I don't have a sewing machine. I do my craft room, but I really do want to use fabric to put on the front of a journal. So that's kind of where my head is with this. And then be humble, be kind. One of our super fun friends here on YouTube always says that, be humble, be kind. So that's actually going in some Happy Mail to her. And then, oh my gosh, look at how fun this is. These felt squares were on sale, half off, and they're like, I don't know, what, 15 cents or something. So I just had to get this. I thought this was so cute. I was thinking that I would use this to make something for my granddaughters. And then I just bought 2 other pieces of felt to make some more tassels because I just love making those felt tassels. They're so fun and so easy. So, and apparently they go over well when you send them out for Happy Mail. So anyway, all right, guys, that's what I got at Hobby Lobby. I don't go to Hobby Lobby that often, even though it's close to my house. And when I was in Denver a couple weeks ago, I went to the Hobby Lobby there. They have a fabulous Hobby Lobby where my son and daughter-in-law live. And, you know, it's just, Hobby Lobby is just that place that just gets you in trouble, guys, and just makes you buy things that then you have to find a place for in your craft room. So, anyway, all right, guys, thanks for stopping by, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.